Hi guys, it's us at Fun Kid Club. We're here with R2D2, who likes his phone Play-Doh. I needed that Play-Doh. Oh, you think that's funny? Okay, can I have it back? We had the most fun making this huge Play-Doh surprise egg of JABBA the Hutt. He's huge. Don't let the size of R2 fool you. He's gigantic. Let me give you an idea. Oh, not there yet. Still yours. That is 4 full-size things of Play-Doh. Okay, fine, R2. There's your Play-Doh back. Hey, R2. Do you remember Princess Leia?
This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
You do remember. Poor princess. She had to be prisoner. Oh, you see him, don't you? Hey, R2. Do you remember JABBA the Hutt? I think that's kind of how we all feel about JABBA the Hutt. But not about this JABBA the Hutt, because he's our giant Play-Doh surprise egg, and we're going to open him up and find out what all the surprises are. And don't forget to stick to the end, because not only is this giant egg full, we have another bonus egg right over there in the tail. Okay, let's take this guy apart. Where to start? Chewbacca the Wookiee. Do you like Chewbacca? Hey, R2. Do you remember Chewbacca? Chewbacca? Yeah. Love Chewbacca. It's Hot Wheels R2 Racer. Hey, R2, it's you. Yes, it is. Star Wars 1 power plate. Ages 6 and up. Did you find out what we got? Jedi Warrior Legend. I think I should put that on my bicycle. Oh, it's got a magnet. That's awesome. Star Wars Force Awakens Micro Machines. And this is the First Order attacks. You remember we had a giant X-Wing here one day. Oh goodness, it's a BB-8 plush. I wonder if R2's jealous. Hey, R2, I have a BB-8. You don't know what that is? Oh, he's a lot like you. Well, he's a robot. Yes, he is, but he's very small. Just because he's small doesn't mean he's not a robot. That's very cool. Now we also promised a bonus one. M&Ms. Why do we have M&Ms for Star Wars? Oh, I see. Darth Vader M&M. It's a Darth Vader M&M. Yes, he is. You're very ornery today. Yes, you are. It's a Stormtrooper M&M. We've got yellow peanut M&M, and we've got an orange plain M&M. And they're also, I can't see it on here because of the bright lights, but they are also flashlights. Cool. That was one fun Play-Doh surprise egg. Don't you think so, R2? Oh, you do like it. Hey, R2. Behave yourself. Thanks for coming to Play Fun Kid Club. If you liked our giant Play-Doh surprise egg, Jabba the Hutt, would you give us a little thumbs up? Maybe comment. And we will see you next time on Fun Kid Club. Get out your Play-Doh and build with us.